Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my quick SlimFast morning shake. So this SlimFast I bought at Walmart, I'll link it down below. French vanilla meal replacement shake mix. It's supposed to stop hunger control for 4 hours. Here's a list of the ingredients. Now it is a little high on sugar, 10 grams. I mean, not too high, but yeah, if that's a concern to you, that's how much sugar it has. Here's some of the vitamins it has, and it has more over here too. So it has a lot of vitamins, which is really good. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to use your SlimFast, some sliced bananas, frozen sliced bananas. I like to use Unsweet coconut or soy milk or almond milk, and of course your Nutribullet. So I like to add the milk first. Let me just shake this up a little bit. Okay, so it says to add about 8 ounces. These are cool. I got these from Amazon. They already, they're labeled already. So there's the 8 ounces. Let's go ahead and pour it there. I don't like to add all the way up with milk because, okay, so I don't put it all the way up to 8 ounces with milk because it gets a little, thick, so I'll add the rest with water. So there we go. The rest I added some water. You don't have to do that. If you like the milkshake thick, then go ahead and just put all the way up with milk. But since we add the frozen bananas, it does make it thick. So I recommend for sure doing like half milk and half water. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the frozen bananas. I like to add maybe like, I don't know, like a handful. Too much. That should be enough. And now we can go in with the SlimFast. Just scoop it up. And 1 scoop is enough. Now it smells so good. Really vanilla-y. Kind of smells like, almost like vanilla ice cream. It smells so good. Okay, now we're going to blend it up. And the Nutribullet, you can use Nutribullet. You can use a blender. It's all good. So here we go. So I filled it up to like maybe a little past the 8 mark, maybe like up to here. And that's how much more it made with the banana. So let's open it up so I can show you the consistency. Okay, here we go. So it's not too thick. It's pretty watery. Let me pour it in a cup. I mean, it's a little thick, but not too much. Just go ahead and add a straw, and there you go. Okay, it's so good. I had a taste test, really good. It has vanilla, it has banana, delicious. Definitely recommend. And like I said, I'll link this down below. You can buy it at Walmart. And the bananas too. And also Nutribullet. These are from Amazon though. Talk to you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.